the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here on Twitch. So we are currently looking here at gold. We're seeing that DXY is making some support here, and the oil is making some support here. So we're looking to see here if we are gonna respect this high here, or if we're gonna come up to sweep that Asia high. Very exciting. How we doing? Hey Maxi, how's it going? Casey, thank you for the follow. Blaze, thank you for the follow. Big Shorts, thank you for the follow. Running, thank you for the follow. More on time. CP, thank you for the follow. Brian, Elsa, and Massey. Hey Captain Gueli, hope you're doing well, man. No way! Thank you, Omar. Thank you for becoming a member, my friend. Thank you so much for becoming a member. Nice to see you on live stream. I hope you're doing well. I'm currently looking here at this high and this Asia high here. If we can either come up here and make some liquidity grabs here, or we can come up and sweep this, then it will be very interesting to see. I'm just waiting here to see if we're gonna have something from that. Good afternoon. Hello, Daniel. Thank you so much, Omar, for being a member. Yeah, man, you're the best. Love you. Let's go. Hey, should I keep stop loss for the sell limit? What's up? The sell limit? Oh, you mean the 15 one? Yeah. Keep that one. Keep that one. Keep that one. Let me just update real quick. Just update it real quick. 2 seconds. Okay, I've updated now. Thank you for reminding me, bro. Thank you for reminding me. There, I've updated now. Let's see. Let's see. See here, guys. Can hold this. It looks like we could potentially hold this. It's looking really good. Looking really good. It just depends on this hourly here. If this is gonna roll over or if this is gonna break out from here. A sweep above here does make sense, but I just don't think it's necessary because we are holding the structure all the way down. I think if we start creating very structure here, that I would take the trade. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a sell stop, okay? We're gonna have a sell stop. So if we come down and flip here, then I would take a sell stop here, but only if we come down and flip, okay? If we continue up here and we're gonna sweep the Asia high, we're not gonna have it, right? But if we come down here now, we can take a sell stop. Okay. Sell stop is going to be 27. Stop loss is just going to be above the high. 7. And T1 is going to be 7. And then TB2 is going to be 4,650, right? Let's see. Let's see if we're going to get in. At the moment, it just looks like we had this high. We came up into this 50-minute fair value gap, and then we started coming down here, and now we are kind of creating lower lows and lower highs, and we're still holding the 50-minute structure. So unless we want to sweep the Asia high, I think it looks pretty good. And that's also why we're not in as long as we don't come down into the sell stop. Okay, so we're not in any trades yet. Waiting for confirmation. In a sell at 33, is that good? Depending on if it takes out the Asia high, bro. Depending on if it takes the Asia high. Hey Arnoldson, hey Rule. Omar, I'm gonna have some member videos soon. Because as people become members, I will have private videos on YouTube. I think that's fair for members. But just Bear in mind, it's not going to be right now, but I will start to have it if there are more members coming. Let's see here, guys. We're going to sweep here. Sweep the Asia high. Almost here, guys. We're almost here. Be ready for the sell stop, right? Be ready for the sell stop. And if, of course, if we take out this one and we go for the Asia high, then I'm waiting for price to reverse down, and then I will take the trade. Seems good. Hey, meal. Yep. It's not it's not smooth at all today. I mean, kinda. Like I'm not. You know, I'm not mad about it. It's creating structure, you know? Like we had this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then after grabbing liquidity, price came up and grabbed liquidity above here. So if you reverse down now, creates a lower low, then it's pretty structured, I would say. Then you have something like this, Recon. Right? I'm not mad about it. Just waiting to make some more layers if it comes higher up. If it doesn't come high up, I'll take what I have and then just follow down. You know what I mean? I'm not mad about it. I'll be mad about it if we take out the Asia high and we continue up. If we go up to 70 or 90 or something and come back to 4,800, then it's not very nice. Then it's not very nice because then we are in a bigger range, right? You can't expect anything from my ex. As we have an intern joke where gold is our wife, right? And we cannot be mad at our wife sometimes. Sometimes it can be a little bit annoying. Let's see here, guys. Most toxic relationship ever. Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. This music, oh. Let's see. Okay. Still respecting here. That's a good sign for now. Let me know, guys, if you're waiting for something specific. Just trying to see if we can roll over here. F? What do you mean by F? Don't even get me started. Yeah, I reckon. Okay, seems good. Seems good for now. If it starts creating bear structure here, guys, then what I can do is I can get in for a trade a little bit higher. For now, we keep it at 27. I still see price come down and retest here 4,700 if it wants to flip bullish. Hey man, how long have you been live? I've been live for 20 minutes. Maybe less. 15 minutes. Oh, no trades so far. You didn't miss anything. Can I trade now? Hey, Anthony. We're currently waiting for this sell stop, bro. We're currently waiting for this sell stop. If I get a 15-minute bearish closure here, we can enter a little bit higher. But for now, we're not in. Guys, be ready here. Be ready here. Beautiful reversal on the 15-minute. People also said that here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, guys, are you ready? You guys ready? If we get activated, we get activated. If we don't get activated, we don't get activated. Okay, guys? 27, that's our sell stop. All right? 27 is our sell stop. We're not in yet. We're not in yet. Did not tap it yet. Let's see. Hello, good day. Hey, fam. How's it going? Okay, guys, our buy stop is about to be activated here. You ready? And we're in. Let's go. Now let's see if we can get 100 pips. Let's see if we can get 100 pips. After 17, we're gonna trail our stop loss. Go risk free. Buy stop. No, it's a sell stop, my friend. It's a sell stop. It also says here sell stop. We're moving, guys. 30 pips. 30 pips. You're in the trade? Anybody in the trade? Let's go! All right, let's see here, guys. We are moving 30 pips. Moving for 50 pips. In at 33. Nice. In, Evan. There we go. Okay, 60 pips, guys. And 70 pips. Please go risk-free. Risk-free. 70 plus pips. Partial here. Take partial. And there you go. Risk-free. Stop loss just below entry for risk-free trade. $26.8. First trade of the day. We are totally risk-free here, guys. We are risk-free. If you just joined right now, my name is Xauusd. I've been trading for 14, almost 15 years. And right now, if you want to join, you can join our VIP for $53 because we have a new project called New Week, New Deal. All right, so that means every single week, if we have a new week, new deal, we're gonna have a offer. Last week it was $35. This week is $53. Next week we might have one, we might not have one. The price might go up, it might go down. You never know. So if you want to join, you can join until Sunday for $53 in our VIP. Normally $149. Normally $149. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if you're interested. Just reach out to my team. $53. Make some money, guys. You make some money? Yes. Let's go! Sniper orbits. Patseke. Let's go. Let's see, guys, if we can get 100 pips. We can take out 17. We get 100 pips. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. We did not get 100 pips because we didn't take 17 out. But we did get 70 pips. Let's see if we're gonna survive, guys. We are here now at 24. If we hit 26.8, we're gonna get in for another trade here. Then we're gonna hit B and we can wait for the next trade. Next setup. But so far we're still in. Came up to 25.6. Our B is 26.8 because we got in at 27. Let's see. And where we touch 26.2, 26.5, still in. Gonna hit it. Yeah, there we go. Hit B, guys. So our first trade, we got 70 pips. Now we're waiting for the next setup. We're still reacting to these value gaps here. We gotta see here how the 30 level is gonna respect, or if you're gonna grab some more liquidity. So we wait patiently. Let's see. Actually, right now we have a level within a level. You see that? This is the 50-minute structure. And now currently we're also making this one. We're going sideways down. Interesting. Interesting. Hi, hello, John. We just took the first trade. We sold here at 27. Took partial 70 pips. So you only missed one trade, but it hit B after. So still waiting here to see if we're gonna get follow through here or if we're gonna come up here for some liquidity. Remember, guys, we have Asia high here. Price might come up and sweep this high, but that's about it. I think we are following this structure so far. How you guys doing today? Did you get some good profit yesterday and the day before that on the live on Twitch? Okay, this is interesting here. Look at this. Just do like this again. Very interesting. So this one here, right? This one tapped the 0.618 level. So this one will probably also tap the 0.618 level. 34. That could be really interesting, guys. If we come up and tap here, we might have a good short position here. Okay. Let's see. It looks very aligned. It looks very aligned. You look at this. This one came up, taps the 0.618 level. This one came up, tapped the 0.6 level. Here we came down to the fair value gap. So we can get a retest. Get a retest here. Boom. That looks really, really nice. Do I keep the sell? It's up to you, fam. I'm on Twitch. I'm not currently in anything, but on VP, you know, we are already in.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, one for honor. Hope you're doing well. You missed the first trade. We got 17 plus pips. Now here on the trade 2, we're waiting for retest here. Coming into this fair value gap here. What's up, Obeds? Thanks to the profit. Yesterday, 500 plus gold. Yeah, let's go. $500 plus. Let's go, Tapper. Gold dehydrate. Thank you, Sav. Let's see how we're gonna close, guys. We're gonna close below 20. Then you might come up sweep 30. And then tap 34. And then we can come down. Go for this low here. At 95. If we close below 20, guys, and we don't come up, we come up with a top wick, but we don't reach here, then I will have a still stop down here. Baby 4 was amazing. It's good, baby. Are you in sells or are you in buys? How is GXY looking? Try coming a little bit down. Yeah, and oil is also coming a little bit down, so it could give us that push. Maybe. How's the 4 hour looking? Okay, 4 hour closed here then. At 24. Okay, so we didn't take 30 out. That's good. That's good to know. It's good to know. There you go. Okay, guys, so I'm currently waiting for this trade too. Seeing if we can tap retest 30. If we cannot and we start closing bearish down here, then I will have a sell stop below for 95. I want sell from 40. Hope it continues. Yeah, Rule. That'll be great. That'll be great, man. Let's see. Currently, we closed Doji on the 15. I want to see if we can retest 30 and continue down. Okay, here comes the push. Let's see. $28. Is your broker Star Trader? Yes, it is. Right here, check. Right here, man. Right here. Thank you, Them. Next time you can just put exclamation mark broker. Them, if you want to do it for me, that'll be amazing. Just put exclamation mark broker. Can we reach 30, guys? Or are we so weak that we are just continuing down here? So far, we are currently trying to go above here. Yeah. Think we can do it, guys? Do you think we can tap 34, 33? Little bit more push here. We are struggling here. Push, goal, push, goal, goal, goal. We are really struggling here, guys, to push up. Yeah. Wow. really weak. Really weak. Let's see. Can we take it? Okay, let's see. Can we do it, goalie? Do we wait for this 15 minutes to confirm? Yes. We are waiting for this 15 minutes to confirm. Ten more minutes, guys. It looks incredibly weak, to be honest. Hey, Golden.
You have the time of
Seems like no bias today. Yeah, exactly. Guys, I'm gonna have an incredible, very small stop loss. Just above here. So I'm gonna have a sell stop here. We're in it already. Gonna sell it down here to 4. But I'm gonna have 100 pip stop loss here. TP here at 13. Gonna set the stop loss just above here, so it's like almost nothing. Okay, it's like literally nothing. Okay, just here. So I'm gonna sell now here. See ya. $26, $25. Okay. TV1 is gonna be 15. Okay, let's see here. Stop loss is just gonna be 31. Okay, if it goes for it, it goes for it, and then I'm gonna add another one here. Let's see. Let's see. Does it go for it? The stop loss is 50 pips, guys. It's very small. Extremely small. Going for it. $30.4. 2.6 pips. Okay. Okay, cool. I'll just took that one. I just lost 50 pips there. It's totally fine. We're gonna get in here anyway at 34. It's just I just wanted to see if my sell zone is gonna hold, but it didn't. It didn't hold. It was holding here, and then it looked like they were incredibly weak, and then I just waited for that sell there. So that's my mistake, guys. We get it back right away. Sorry, minus 650 pips, and I'm just gonna get in here at 34 instead. Okay, and then we have the big stop loss, of course. All right, that's my mistake. I thought we were holding my sell zone. Here we go. This music here. So once we tap here, $32, we are 20 pips away from entry. So yeah, wait. Yeah. All right. Stop loss is gonna be that 164, as we said. There we go. TP is gonna be 4,695. I don't think we have anything before that, to be honest. I think if this flips now, it's gonna go all the way down and sweep that 4,700. We already grabbed that liquidity here. 50% here, 50% here. We had this trend going down. We tapped into the 0.618 level here. We do have an Asia high on top in case it takes out this high, right? So I have my stop loss above this high. So that means in case, worst case scenario, we go up and we sweep 53. I don't think it will, because I don't see many buyers. I just see this as a liquidity grab here, came up to 36. Then we would be targeting the Asia high, right? But we have stop loss above that, so it's fine. We can add an extra layer as we come up there. So here is the for today so far. Trade 1, we got 70 plus pips. Trade 2, we hit minus 650 pips. And now we are in the trade 3. Let's see here. Trade 3 currently in. Okay. So that's it for me, guys. That's it for me, I think. Let's see if we can come down and sweep 4,700. Okay. We're moving 40 pips. Moving 40 pips. Okay, guys. Moving 30 pips. Can I do like this instead? Maybe it's a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. We need to see this 50-minute close below 31. Moving 20 pips. And since we lost this 50 pips here, then what I will do is I will give you guys, instead of giving you 100 pips, I give you 200 pips before we take partial, okay? So I'm targeting 14. 14, okay? So once we get 14, we have 200 pips. Then we can go risk-free, and we take partial there. Don't take partial at 24, okay? All right. Removing 30 pips. Let's see. Are you in the trade, guys? In the trade? Let me know if you're in the trade. Hey, Golden. Anyone in? Luke Dollar, something happened. Lelo, right now we are on gold, my friend. From 31. Oh, you entered at 31? Okay. Yeah. Let's see, Omar. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. We might get some retest, but we are below the 9 EMA here. Looks pretty good. Amen. Nice, Daniel. So guys, we are currently in a sell from 32 to 34. Stop loss 64 and TB1 is 4,695. But we will go risk free and take partial at 14, which is 200 pips. Okay. We're targeting 95, but we have 200 pips here. If we come down here. Okay, guys, we are moving. 10 pips if you're in a 32. 20 pips if you're in a 34. Yes, still in. Nice. We grabbed the liquidity here after we made our resistance. So resistance here at 42. Then we grabbed liquidity 41. Then we grabbed liquidity here. We came up, retested 30. And now it looks like we're coming down below 30. Risk management, guys. Stop loss is 64. Yeah, I would have said the... I would have put... George, I would have put the stop loss. I would have put it here at 53, but I can't because this is the Asia high. So in case we come up and sweep this, let's say suddenly Trump tweets something crazy and then boom, we come up and we sweep that Asia high, then we have stop loss 100 pips above, right? It's just to be safe for that Asia high. We didn't come up and test it. We haven't done so, so probably we're going to do it tomorrow. So if everything runs as it should, we come down 200 pips, we go risk free, and then we can come down and sweep 4,700. And what else is doing for the rest of the day, I don't really care. Okay, guys, we're moving 40 pips. I hope you understand, George. I really, really wanted to put it 53, but I just can't. I cannot because we have the Asia high. Sorry, delay. That's totally fine, man. Let's see if we can break 30, guys, and come down to 20. Once we get down to 20, I would like to see this fair value gap being filled. Once we come down to 5, if we get some kind of support there, it's totally fine. We go risk free. We run 200 pips, and then we can take it further down, right? Let's see. So I'm not gonna take partial 100 pips, guys. I'm gonna wait for 200 pips just so you guys can get that 50 pips back. and you can get some profit on top, and also so we don't move stop loss too early, because we can come up and retest multiple times. But I guess if we come down and we break this low, I don't see why we should come up again. You know what I mean? Like, then you have retested here, and then you grab that liquidity, then you came up and retested here, and then you grab that liquidity, and then if you come down below here, there's no reason for you to come up and retest again. Okay, guys, we are currently moving 30 pips if you are in at 32. We are moving 50 pips if you are in at 34. Still, 30 is trying to find some support here. I don't like it. I want to stay below 30. Thank you. You can also see we're still below this high here. So we are actually like respecting the resistance. So I think this was the lower low, lower high, lower low. And then here we came up and created a sort of equal high here, but below the highest high, right? And we swept the London high here, so that's good. There's no reason for us to come up to the Asia high, but just if Trump comes out and tweets something, you know, it could go up to the Asia high. So that's why I have my stop loss at 64. I know for some of you, 300 pips is a lot, but actually it's not. It's, in my opinion, it's not really a lot. But I also trade like 1,000, 2,000 pips, stuff like that. Let's see. You need, if you take a trade like this, you need to have your stop loss above the Asia high, 100%. And people probably sitting and waiting to sell from the Asia high once it sweeps it. But I don't know if we're gonna sweep it, because we already swept the London high and we came up here. We failed to create a double top, so made a mistake with 23. Needs to be 33. Oh yeah. That's okay, man. That's okay. Let's see, guys. This is the 30 so far. It even looks on the hourly, like, you know, in the 30-minute, it looks like, you know, higher high, higher low, and then higher high, right? But the thing is, people probably getting in for buys here, and then it retests 30, and it looks like it's going to create a higher high, but actually it's holding that level for now. But if you get a big 15-minute engulfing candle above here, of course, then probably it's going to retest 50 or 40, right? But as of now, it looks like it's slowly losing momentum towards the upside, right? Okay, back at entry. Dollar came down to this equal low here. Consolidating a little bit. All right. Since the dollar and oil is starting to go a little bit up, guys, sorry, a little bit down, then I cannot take for 200 pips. I would have to go risk-free and take partial at 150 pips. I hope that's okay with you. 150 pips is still a lot for a small trade. So if you can go down to 24.19, if you can take out this low here and come down to 19, or at least create a double bottom here, then we can go risk-free. Okay, 150 pips. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're moving 50 pips from 32 and 70 pips from 34. Are you okay, guys, with 150 pips? Live here on Twitch. Are you okay with that? To take partial there and go risk free if we get 150 pips. Yes, daddy. If you're not, I will whip you. So far, we're holding that level pretty well. Maybe I can even move the resistance down here now. Let's see. You can stay below here. What we want to see follow through. We want to see the big bearish candle here to the downside. Taking out this low. Then a retest. And then a continuation down to fill the fair value gap, right? Tapping 30 again. Has a little bit trouble with that 30. Trying to figure out if it wants to stay above 30 or it wants to stay below 30. Yeah, but we are finding some support here on DXY. Yeah, and oil seems like it has made this low here. Let's see. Still looks good, guys. Nothing to be worried about so far. Still looks very good. Guys, if you just joined now, my name is Xauusd. I've been trading for 15 years. And yeah, we're currently in a trade here from 32 and 34. Our target is 150 pips to 200 pips, and then we're gonna go risk-free, take some partial, and then we're gonna take it down to sweep this 4,700. First trade we took 70 plus pips, and second trade we lost 50 pips because I took a little bit too fast of a trade. I saw some weakness on gold, and I thought we could stay below the resistance zone, but we came up and grabbed a little bit more liquidity, so that's on me. That's on me. But yeah, if you like what you see and if you enjoy the trading, then you can join the VIP for $53 this week. We have a new week, new deal offer. So that means every single week you can join VIP for a month. It's a one-time payment. It's $53 for this week. And then you get a month in VIP for $53. If you're interested, reach out to my team. If you're interested in VIP, reach out to my team. Other than that, enjoy. And yeah, join our Discord and Telegram. Please, fam, if you could do me the honor. Hey, Fancy. How's it going, man? Fancy, you can still make it. We are in cells from 32 and 34. I came in late. That's totally fine. You only missed 70 pips and then we lost 50 pips. So you missed 20 pips. This will drop big time. It's taken a long time in that area. Yeah. Hopefully, lady. But will it come up and sweep Asia high first? That's the question, right? Because it might just suddenly make this, right? Boop, and then down. That's why we have stop loss above here. 64. 15 is about to close, guys. If it closes doji here, then you have another doji candle. So indecisive decision making here. What is this this circus music? I'm doing great. Can still sell. Might be trapped. Yep. That's why I'm also saying, like, if you get a big engulfing candle on the 15 suddenly above 30, then I will be a little bit careful, right? And then I will be on guard. 15 closed doji here, but it closed with liquidity to both sides, so we could get a little push here from 30. Let's see. You can stay below 30, it will be amazing. But this looks like one of those candles where it just like makes the same move we just saw here. This closed doji, and then we got an engulfing candle, and then we closed doji, and now we could get an engulfing candle. But the thing is, we grab liquidity to both sides. It's not like saying like, oh, I don't want to go down. It's like, I don't want to go up, I don't want to go down. So this one is more indecisive rather than this one. This one is like, it's a long way to the downside, right? And then it came up. But this one is like almost equal, right? Let's see. How's dollar doing? Okay, dollar is breaking this level here. All right. Might see a little bit more movement here, guys. To the bullish side here. But if we can stay below that 30 level, then no worries. Dollar will break support. Weird. Might be manipulation, bro. Like, it looks like this, Lele, today. Look at this. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But, yeah. It looks like this. It looks like that setup. But, of course, we can never be sure, right? We can never be sure. Okay, guys. Let's see. Look at that. Okay, guys. Now we're moving again. 40 pips from 32 and 60 pips from 34. Come on. Gold.
Get shit on, brother.
Come on, gold.
Balls hanging low while I pop a ball off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow.
Okay, guys, we're starting to move a little bit here. It looks extremely weak. It looks extremely weak. It seems like gold wants to come down. But remember, 19 is going to be 130 pips. So 17 would be 150 pips, okay? Hi, I am in long. All right, Ark. Enjoy. What made you go long? What made you go long, my friend? Did Trump tweet anything or what? I agree with him. Mommy, what made you go along? I'm bearish too, but it can bull. I mean, the Asia high is here, but so far we have been respecting the 15 all the way down. If it comes up to Asia high, we still have stop loss above here. Today, yeah, Trump tweet a lot. Bro, if Trump, he tweets, right? You just gotta tell him this. Tell him this. Bitch got his own money. So, Trump, you still gonna build a wall, or what's the plan here? Trump, my best friend, he's a real bad bitch, got his own money. Presidential rich on the world stage. US military, now he twerking. Launching the missile while he working. Trump, my best friend, he's a real bad bitch, fly his own jet. He don't need no lift in the strip club. Must rolling with Trump, half a hero, half say son of a bitch. So yeah, you could check that out on Instagram if you would like to say something to Trump. But nothing in favor for Rob anymore. Exactly. It's very, very... You'll see next time you try to go in USA. In border. Lol. I'm not going to USA anymore, man. My days in USA where USA was like doing great back in 2010, 2000, 19, 90, 95. It was nice. I'm not going back to USA anymore. They have digged their own grave. They have digged their own grave. I'm not a supporter of USA anymore. Unfortunately. Let's see here. Rip the United States for orbits. You crazy? Why am I crazy? Why am I crazy? You big supporter of Trump or what? I'm not a big politician guy or anything like that. I'm just done with USA. Hey Ramiro, thank you so much for the subscription. Nice to see you on live stream. I wonder why Trump said they're clearing Street of Xauusd now from mines. They already released yesterday. It will take at least 6 months. Wow. He can block you or put you on a red list. I think you are a little bit over dramatic, bro. Trump doesn't care about a little guy like me. I'm no Fred. I am no Fred, my friend. I'm just a small fly in this big lamp, just going towards the lights again and again, keeps hitting it, you know, just like flying around, be like don't. It's all a game, guys. We're all in a big game. Let's see, guys. It seems like it's taken out that liquidity of 35. Let's see. Oil not doing so well right now. The XY is coming a little bit down here. There's a big sweep here. But we are currently in a fair value gap here on the USD. Let me just remove this. There's a fair value gap here. And then we have this level here as well, so we can hold this. Let's see. Still respecting here 36. It came up, swept that 35. Let's see. We can reverse down. Oil chilling still. Got a lot of sweeps today. A lot of sweeps today. 9 EMA is still holding. We're 10 pips in drawdown here, guys. Let's see. Up, up, boom, 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 boom. We're currently at the 0.78 level. Right there at 36. And that 36 is lining perfectly up here with the 0.50 level. Let's see. S&P 500 all-time high one more time. Yeah, I'm not touching that, man. I'm waiting for a dip before I get in to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq again. If you buy up here, you're crazy. You're crazy if you buy up here. Zero stress, yeah, zero stress. Shouldn't be emotional when you're trading. We chill. We Gucci. Only sell every day. I also wouldn't sell it. Also wouldn't sell it. Look at this, guys. People are so greedy right now. 68 on the greed meter here. Greedy people. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we are going for the 43, the 41, if you're gonna stay here at the 0.78 level, or if we're gonna sweep the Asia high. If we reject and come down here, it's all good. All good. I'm still targeting sweeping 4,700. Would like one more retest here. 4,668. So far, we are only creating lower lows and lower highs. Go to the higher time frame, you can still see it. Lower low, lower high, and then you can have a lower low, right? So let's see. We don't have any higher time frame. Higher time frame? Wow. Higher time frame confluences or closure above the highs. Guys, we're back at entry. Back at entry. If you just joined me now, guys, we're currently in a sell from 34 and 32. A stop loss above the Asia high at 64, and we have a target of the sweep of 4,700. Since we on the second trade today lost 50 pips, then what I will do is I will take some partial after 200 pips, or 150 pips in this case, because we're starting to make some structure here. So if you come down and sweep this low here, we can go risk-free and we can take 150 to 200 pips, right? And then we can let the rest run. But we'll see. We'll see. I still at this one. What website were you searching for? I was not searching for any website. I was on the Fear and Greed meter. Just go to Google, bro. Go to Google here. And go here to Fear Greed meter. Search here, right there. This is the Fear Greed meter. I can send it to you. Right here. Check it out. You can see how greedy people are or how fearful people are. Reversal, and you start seeing price go to the opposite direction. After it sweeps out all the liquidity and people, they lose their money. They get liquidated. Then people get fearful. They get out of the market and then price reverses. So for now, I don't really see anything that we should reverse and suddenly go the opposite direction because people are not fearful. They're greedy. They're greedy. Do something about your playlist, man. It's epidemic music, bro. If you're on VIP, you can hear music from Spotify, but I cannot play Spotify when I'm on Twitch. I will get copyright strike. So I just play free music on epidemic music. See here, and this whole box here, from here to here, is 30 pips, right? So you have two boxes here. Gonna be around 60 pips, right? The easiest way to do it is zoom out here and then find here where it adds up. So let me just see here from 11 to 12. Here we go. Here. There you go. From here to here, that's 10 pips right there. That's 10 pips. So from 10 to 20, that's 100 pips. It's small points on your broker. So if it goes up and you want to buy, you're gonna make money. If it goes down and you want to sell, you make money. Okay, guys, we are back at entry here on 32. We are a little bit in profit from 34. But Gaps, if you want to learn how to trade from the scratch, like you can sign up for the bootcamp or you can join the VIP this week. The VIP is only $53 because we have new week, new deal. $53 VIP if you're interested. The Twitch here and the Discord and the Telegram is free, but for VIP it costs $53 this week. So let me know. Just reach out to my team if you're interested. Still waiting for the move, guys. One personal question: how you manage your risk? Because when you take 100 pips, it's partial, so not really 100 pips of position. Because when take stop loss, it's full position. For example, today, 100 pips partial in less than the full stop of 50 pips. How to manage in this way, or okay, bro, I can explain to you. So let's say we are in a buy from down here. Let's say we're in a buy down here, right? If my entry here is, let's put a like a psychology number, so it's just easier to manage. Let's say 4,700. Let's say you're on a scalp. Your scalp is probably just going to be 50 pips. Then obviously your stop loss should be like 20 pips or something. But if you're on a day trading, probably your TP is going to be 17. Your stop loss is going to be 95. So this is going to be 50 pips. And your risk to reward here is going to be, let's say 20 instead. It's better. There. It's going to be 200 pips, right? So your risk to reward is pretty good here. Let's say we only go to 5 here. That's still going to be 50 pips. That's the same as your stop loss. So when you go risk-free and take partial, there, then you got some partial of that 50. You don't get full 50, of course, because you didn't move more than 50 pips and you took partial already. And partial is not, as you said, the full position, is just partial. So depending on if you take 20% or if you take 40% or if you take 60%. So in order for you to be totally risk-free or make money, you need to go to the next level. You need to go to 20, right? And let's say you then extend your TP. Let's say you extend it to 40. Once you come up here, then you have taken 50 pips. So 50 pips would be from here to here, right? But the problem is, if you go risk-free here and you come down and hit your BE, then what you're saying to me is that, oh, that's not a full position. No, but that's how trading is. Like, you know, you cannot always get what you want, right? You cannot always like get that full TP. If price wants to come down and make a wick fill, or Trump does something, you know, but it's better to hit B and get half of the position rather than go all the way down and totally wipe up your account because Trump tweets something, right? So what I do is I take multiple trades. I'll probably take like between 3 to 5. And then let's say the first trade, I lose 50 pips. In order for me to win the trade then, I have to make 100 pips if I took partial, right? So in the next trade, I will go for 100 pips. And then if I get my 100 pips, then I'm risk-free here. But if I then take partial, and then we get an additional 300 pips, now I'm in profit, right? So it's not from one trade. I combine the trades, and over the day, over the span of the day, you should have much more. See here, we lost 50 pips, we got 70 pips here. So now we're probably risk-free a little bit in drawdown. But if we go down to 95, I give you 100, 300. I give you more than 300 pips. Then you're going to be much more in profit than your actual, like, you know, than your actual loss you got from this 50 pips. So I don't look at the stop loss as the, you know, this stop loss has to be equal to my TP, because I'm not like these risk to reward traders who's like, oh, this has to be, you know, equal every single time. No, it has to be put where it doesn't make sense anymore, where the trade doesn't make sense anymore. This is your Asia high, right? So I, of course, don't put my stop loss here. If I put my stop loss here, I'm an idiot, because if price comes up when Trump tweets something and take out the Asia high, I'm going to hit my stop loss. But if I put it 100 pips above, I'm not going to hit stop loss, because we all know that price is going to go up, sweep the liquidity here, and then it has to come down here and retest before it makes a higher high. Of course, it's obvious. It's trading, right? So price doesn't just go up, take the Asia high, and just continue up. It's impossible. It has to retest, sweep here, come down, retest, and then come up. And then I can jump out of BE. That's why I have my stop loss up here. So that's how I manage it. I put my stop loss where it makes sense, not because of some kind of risk to reward. And then I will be more I'll be more focused on the entire day rather than trade to trade. So if I lose 2 trades but I still get 1,000 pips in the third trade, I don't care about the first 2 trades that I lost, because my risk to reward is still going to be much bigger. But I cannot look for one trade only, because I take multiple positions. I take multiple trades, right? If I only took one trade and I lost and I only take partial all the time, yeah, of course, we're not going to be in profit. But that's not how it is. Usually when you get here, you might lose 50 pips, might lose 100 pips, might lose 70 pips. But in the end, I'm going to make you 300, 500, 1,000 pips. I think you're good. So partial, you close 50% of your position. But depending on the trade. For this one here, I would close 80%. Bro, this is such a big stop loss, so I have to take 80%. But this trade here, this particular trade, the stop loss is so big, so I have to force myself to take 80% and let 20% run. Okay? And then what I can do is for TP2, I can take another 10%. And then we have 10% running. Okay? But I have to take 80% because if Trump suddenly tweets something, and we already been down here and we again reject and we start going up again, then I have to be risk-free and I have to make sure that I don't lose money. And then if price comes higher up, we can take the next trade from the Asia high, right? But as of now, it looks like it's very weak. But still, if we come down 150 pips, I have to take 80% of my position. And since this position is much bigger, since it's a bigger stop loss, then I would get the 50 pips back. And I already got 70 pips, so I will be in profit for the day, right? Looks like we're on the move again. I'm not sure yet, bro, because it keeps making bottom wicks, you know? This could also be a bottom wick for the next hourly. Let's see here. Yeah, the hourly just made the bottom wick here. We barely made a top wick. If you close like this, then you're closing below your entry. So that's good. But we haven't closed yet, so we'll see. Very slow today, guys. Very slow today. Yesterday was amazing. The day before that was also amazing, but today is a little bit slow. It's a little bit slow. See exactly where I put my line here. Found some support. It's really nice. Let's see if we can come up from here. Yesterday was fun. Yeah, it was. But if you were in VIP from 17 Rakan, it was also very fun. When we took that 17, that was also fun. No matches today? No. No, actually, I already got some really nice lunch, and my wife don't want me to eat too much. Doesn't want me to eat too much. I have this for later. You know, just a little bit extra protein, but I'm not gonna eat it now. But yeah, many traders you will see online, guys, they always go for the risk to reward. They always go for the same entry. They always go for the same TP. They always, either they don't go risk-free if they're running in profit, or they have a certain target they want to do. They want to do 1% or 3% per day or whatever. Like, I don't do that. I put my stop loss where it makes sense to put the stop loss. I don't put a stop loss because, oh, I have to put 100 pips or 50 pips because that's my strategy. No, I put it where it makes sense. We have the Asia high here, so of course I put my stop loss above the Asia high. Like, everything else would be dumb. And then I put a TP that's much bigger than most people. So people will probably do something like this. Their TP is going to be 50 pips and their stop loss is going to be 20 pips, right? But for me, you cannot make money with that, because then you're only doing scalping, and then you're going to sit in the market all day. You're going to lose a trade, you're going to win a trade, you're going to lose a trade, you're going to win a trade, and it's going to just go back and forth, and you're going to go back and forth the whole week. Instead, what I do is I might lose 50 pips, or I might lose 100 pips, or I might lose 200 pips. But then later that week or later that month, I'm going to take a trade of 2,000 pips or 10,000 pips, right? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't really matter with these small pips here. I put the TP where it makes sense. I put the stop loss where it makes sense. I don't want to be in these small scalps. I don't want to take these small trades. But sometimes we're forced to do it, right? Because Trump tweets, or something is happening, or the narrative is changing. You know, the candles are telling stories, and when you see suddenly, oh, we have more bullish candles and we have bearish candles. For example, now here, if this flips and we start having a 15-minute closure above here, right? Then what we can do is we can, you know, enter a buy to go up here and still be on our sell, for example, just to take something on the way, right? But so far, it looks really nice. So many bottom wicks. Yeah, but you also have a sweep of liquidity right here. Right? You have a sweep of liquidity right there. If you go to the 30, bro, this can easily close as an order block, right? Easy. This closes like this, and you come down. You can retest here and come down, right? All I want is for closure to be above, below 30. You can close below 30 multiple times and not retest 30 again. It'll be very nice. But yeah, it goes slow. It's very slow there. How much profit yesterday? I don't know, Rakan, you said $500? Hey, bro, how are you? I'm doing good, man. Jackie, how are you? There we go. We got a 50-minute closure. So guys, if we can stay below here now, that would be great. Then this becomes our next resistance. Let's see. You can stay below here. Good. 500k? Nah, $500. You made $500, right? Not 500k. Because people, they look at this and they be like, oh my god, it's such a big stop loss. Yes, but why would you put your stop loss? Would you put it stop loss here? And then you get swept out because you get a top wick because Trump tweets something? And you want to put it here at the Asia high? So you come up and sweep the Asia high? You got a manipulation play, and then you want to hit your stop loss? No, of course not. You're going to put your stop loss above the Asia high, right? This is the Asia high. If Trump suddenly tweets something, or we get top wicks, or we get liquidity, or big market players, they want to sweep this, I'm not going to take a stop loss here. What do you mean? Like, I will put the stop loss above. Of course. It's the only thing that makes sense to me. People always look at the stop loss and be like, oh my god, it's so big. Yeah, but have you seen a TP? Have you seen a TP? Like, what are we talking about here? Talking about trading? Or are we talking about it always have to be the same thing every single time? Let's see, guys, if you can stay below here. If this starts to close above here, then you are starting to create support here. And if that happens, then we might have a sweep here, 39 or 41 or 43. If it goes for Asia high, then we have a bigger play. That's what she said. Oh, what did I say, mommy? I think I missed out on that one. I literally forgot, guys. I missed the joke. Sorry, I missed the joke. What did I say? Where you could say that's what she said. See here? Coming up to 37 here, guys. So if we reject from here and come down, then we're still in. But if it starts to come up here for the Asia high or this order block right here, then it might be a bigger play, okay? This is your next order block right there. It can still come up and sweep this and then come down after that. I'm okay with that. Let's see. Top 40. VP, remember, you know what to do. We already talked about this morning. So far, we are just creating a double top here. See? It's so big. Oh, this one, bro. No.
It's so big! It's so big!
Okay, guys, we tapped 40. So if you're not in a trade already, guys, you can still jump in for the sell here. You have a much better entry than us if you jump in here. And there we go, back again. So you see what I mean, bro? If you had your stop loss here just above this high, you see what I mean? This is just stop loss hunting. You know what I mean? Like, it just literally came up and checked this out. So imagine you had a stop loss here. Remember that? Like, you would have hit your stop loss now. It doesn't mean it's a bad play. Doesn't mean it's a bad trade. It just means that it's stop loss hunting just above here, right? We still have this one, and we still have the Asia high. So for me, like, I will never put my stop loss like 30 pips or 100 pips or 150 pips or 90 pips, like, unless it's a scalp, right? You're something, alright? What does it mean? This one?
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
It's pretty clear. I added layers. Nice. Nice, Rakan. You know how to do it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can flip down here, guys, or if we're gonna close this 15 up here. If we close the 15 up here, then we have a bigger play. Probably we're gonna hit this order block, 44 to 47. Maybe 48. Worst case, we're gonna sweep the Asia high, but then we should come down from there. Let's see the XY here. The XY coming down to this previous zone here. We marked this already. This is the fair value gap. And oil is still consolidating. There's a lot of consolidation going on here, to be honest. Today is not as clean as yesterday and the previous day, so let's see. Back at it again. My sound is too may not a great idea to watch at work. Oh, rule. Oh, I'm sorry. I should not. I should not do that while you're at work. Damn, bro. You played it for your boss? Like, guys, imagine I will say like, oh yeah, look how big it is. Oh my god.
It's so big!
And then
FBI, open up! Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
he's on work. Like, imagine like his boss just coming. His boss is just coming next to him, and he's like,
It's so big!
oh my god. All right, we have too much fun in here. That's not good. It's not good, guys. I told you, come for the trading, but stay for the fun. This is not financial advice. This is your everyday comedian coming here. Let me know if you want some more clips from your bro. Haven't you seen the I'm bad at making content? Didn't you see that? Like the bot comes sometimes and said like you know, next time I bring earplugs or something. They need the singing, bro. Which one? Which one? The you want the Trump one? Are you looking for the Trump one? Big shorts? Okay, guys, we tap 40 again. We're currently staying below here. It looks good. It looks good. It looks like we have... It looks really good. Keep coming up and tapping these highs here. And you can see we're still following on the 15-minute structure down. So if the 15 can come down, or the 30 can come down and flip, and then close below the 9 EMA and not using it as a support, right? Because right now you're kind of like crossing the 200 EMA and the 9 EMA. So I would like to see this flip and come down, then use that as a resistance instead. Right now it's pushing a little bit, right? It's a little bit pushy. 30 looks great for a bottom wick though. And so does 1 hour. But this can still just be a fake out and then sweep and then come down. We are 30 pips in drawdown at the moment. Lagging, connection gone. What now? What now? I have no, guys, I have no connection problem here. It doesn't say anything. Say nothing here on my end. I like your name for big shorts. That's what I want for gold now. I want big shorts. Big shorts. Guys, GX5 is coming down to the family gap. And oil is bouncing off here. How's the... Okay, we're coming a little bit down on the bonds. Do we have news today? Been a quiet, boring day overall. Not really anything interesting. Yeah, you lagged about 3 times for 30 seconds. Really? Yeah, I had this a few times now. I think it's Twitch. Oh my god, is Twitch getting hacked? Guys, are Twitch getting hacked? Don't tell me Twitch is getting hacked. Okay, we're coming down again here. We can close now here, bearish below. That would be great. We got 2 more minutes, guys. And you see how weak these candles are. You see this green candle here? Then you see this green candle and then this green candle. Very, very weak. Buyers are trying. Buyers are trying, but it's very weak. See? Yeah, say my fist now. It's fine. What happened? Did I lag or something? Him on YouTube? Oh, maybe it's my... But I don't get any... I have no performance issue here. And I did... Wait. Oh, okay. No, I did delete some videos, so my EP is not even full. Look at that 15. Look how beautiful it is. Again, we grabbed the liquidity at 40. Look at that. Beautiful. Woo! Okay, guys, we're moving. Can we for once come down and close below here? You see, guys, if you had your stop losses here at 34, 36, 38, 40, 39, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's just stop loss hunting, right? Still here, we're not moving. But if we can come down and close below here, I'm telling you, the 9 EMA is holding you down, the 200 EMA is going to hold you down, and you're going to probably come down and fill this fair value gap here at 704. And if you can sweep that 4,700 and manage to close below, you're probably going to see 4,668. Because now you just tap this 15. And if this holding, then you know what happens. You're going to come down and you're going to tap this 15 again before coming up again. If you come up again, probably 720, then down 4629, and then up 47, right? But let's see. Let's see. Okay, oil finally trying to break out again. I think you should wait, bro, until you see a closure below here. When you see a closure below here, then oil breaks out. Hey, baby, how's it going, man? We're currently in a sell. We are at entry right now, 32, 33, 34. Baby, we down. Hopefully. Why don't I have that? Baby, going down. Why don't I have that? I only have this one, bro.
Welcome to Russia, сука!
Alright, guys. Having another 15 minutes. Buyers are again trying, but they are getting hauled down here. Look at this. You zoom in here. You see that? This is your 9 EMA and 200 EMA. Look at that. Look how it's holding it down. See that? Beautiful. What do you want to see? You want to see a bearish closure below 30. Then you want to see a retest and then a continuation down. Okay? This is what you want to see. Alright? What we want to see. Toot. Let's see. At some point, it has to make a move. At some point, it has to make a move. Okay, it's trying again. Trying again. The buyers are trying one more time. M30 is very doji. Let's see. Maybe this inside info team are waiting for confirmation. Could also be. Or maybe somebody is trying to rig the market. Maybe MJ Morgan is gonna crash gold in a second. Minute 15 fair value gap already tapped though. That's beautiful because that means we can come down to the next one. Yeah, this one is tapped, but it haven't been filled. See this? Right here, 705. See this? There's a tiny 15-minute fair value gap down here, bro. See that, Jackie? Right here. Haven't been tapped. It also makes me very curious when JP Morgan and the other banks are saying, oh yeah, gold is going to 6,000, 7,000. Is that for you guys to buy? So they can crash it down and buy cheaper? But there was an article here, I think it was like a week ago or something like that, that, oh yeah, now we are looking at 6,000, 7,000, blah, 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 blah. I agree. But we need to crash first.
Get shit on, brother.
Thank you so much, Toxic Bruce, for your follow. Nice and live stream. I hope you're doing well. We are currently in a sell and you can make it, Toxic. We are in a sell from 32 and 34. We had 3 trades so far. Trade 1 we got 70 plus pips. Trade 2 we lost, unfortunately, 50 pips. But now in the trade 3 here, we are looking for a big trade if we can manage to pull it off. Really waiting for this breakout here. Looking really good. It's looking like we are respecting. But taking its time. Which format is this? Like day 1 or M1? This is minute 15. What do you think will be the low on silver? The low on silver is gonna be $50, my friend. Look at this. Let me show you. Right here, I have my buy orders here. Show you. Buy order here. Why am I having a buy order here on silver down here? Well, I'll tell you. This is where we broke out. Right here. This is where we broke out, ladies and gentlemen. We broke out here at $53. So if I were the market makers, obviously I'm not, but if I were the market makers, if I was were the banks and institutions, what I will do is I will sweep all your liquidity here at 53 down to 50, and then maybe take 49 as well. I have buy orders here, 48, 49, and then 51, 52, and then 53. But what do I know? I'm just, you know...
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only love.
Yeah. But what do I know? What do I know? Alright, guys, we're waiting for this 15 here to close. Just a regular wizard. Wizard. 60-ish, 50 even. Yep, exactly, Skepton. We can sweep 50. Are you buying or selling currently? I'm sorry, I'm new. Toxic, I'm selling. I'm selling from 32, 34. We're currently at entry. I mean, we're 10 pips in drawdown if you're looking at the entry at 32, but 34 is still running 50, 0.5 pips. I'm in sell here, you can see here. This is my sell. Here, this is my stop loss, and this is my TP, right? But you can see it over here, bro. Sell now 32 to 34. Stop loss 64 and TP 4,694.5. Oil is confirming buy in my opinion. Let's have a look. Looks like we are breaking out, yeah. But you haven't broken here. You can still make, you know, this as your new resistance. That's the problem, right? What you want to see is you want to see the 200 being supported here to move up. You don't want to see it as a resistance to go down, right? So, but it looks good. It looks good, my friend. It looks good. It looks like you're onto something. But you gotta wait for that confirmation, my friend. Alright guys, let's see. It's breaking out. Big W in 15 minutes. Let's gold. I mean, let's oil. Let's oil our body. Okay. I'm right back, guys. All right, guys. We have 4 more minutes until the 15-minute closure here. 4 more minutes until the 15-minute closure. We're still having a little bit of a... it's building a wall with these candles. We should watch Minecraft instead. Yeah. Have you guys been playing Minecraft when you were younger? Or I mean, wow, that's really not racist, but like it's like saying that, oh, you cannot play Minecraft if you are older. That's not what I meant. What I meant was, did you play Minecraft when you were younger? I think. Are you still playing Minecraft? That's what I meant. Not that there's anything negative about that. No, never. It wasn't created by then for me. Really? Oh my god, you're young, bro. You're young then. King, thank you for the follow. Nice to live stream. We are currently in a sell. Guys, if you just tuned in right now, my name is Xauusd. We are trading here on Xauusd, spot gold. And we are in a sell from 32 and 34. You can jump in if you want because we haven't moved anywhere yet. We're just grabbing liquidity here and then making ready for a big move, either to the downside or to the upside. But in my opinion, we are looking really great here because we tapped here, we tapped here, we tapped here. So we're following the 15-minute resistance all the way down here into this channel. So either you're gonna have a big breakout here, maybe sweep the Asia high, or you're gonna just follow all the way down here, right? But I'm in a 32 and 34 because I do see more downtrend here. And also we've been holding down here from the 9 EMA. And the 200 EMA it looks like we are coming down below it. So it's very interesting. Very interesting. I've just take sell on hope it went into profit. Let's go, King. But yeah, as I said to you guys before, we're currently in this sell. And if you want to know like more about my strategy, you want to learn how I trade and why I take the trades and why I do what I do, you can join the VIP and you can have live stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday pre-New York session. And then of course this is free here on Twitch. But if you want the VIP, right now we have new week, new deal, which is an offer where you can literally get VIP for $53. So every single week we are gonna adjust the new week new deal. If there is a new week new deal, you never know, maybe next week there will not be a new week new deal, but right now it's $53. So until Sunday you can join VIP for $53. Of course you have to, this is without tax, you have to pay your tax, right? So this is not included with tax. So yeah, $53. So you can reach out to my team if you want. Minecraft did release on my 17th birthday. Oh, I was actually creating, I was playing Minecraft when I was 15, 17 years old. Minecraft is fun. Roblox is also fun. Fortnite is also fun. I think a lot of games are fun. A lot of games are fun. Okay, guys, we're coming a little bit down here. So we are moving here a little bit. Okay, we're moving 70 pips. Okay, guys, be ready for 100 pips here. Okay, we're moving 100 pips here now from our 34 position. We're moving 105 pips so far. Let's see if we can get 150 pips. All right, here we go. Moving 100 pips from your 32 position now. Okay, guys. Let's see here. We want to come down and sweep this liquidity. Once we get this liquidity here, then we can go risk-free, okay? All right. Let's see if we can get 150 pips and go risk-free. All right, guys. Let's see here. Oil, big push.
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
I'm 40. I play Minecraft with my 2 sons. Oh, Jarek, that's awesome. That's awesome. I also want to do that when I get kids one day. Please give my regards to your kids and your wife. Send my regards. Send my regards, Jarek. Okay, guys, we are running 100 plus pips. I am 33 and I am not playing Minecraft anymore, but I did play a lot of Minecraft when I was a kid, and I played a lot of Roblox as well, and a lot of Fortnite. I still play Fortnite though. Okay, guys, we are moving 140 pips from the 34 position. We are moving 120 pips from the 32 position. Okay, guys, be ready to take partial here once we take out the low here for the liquidity. Okay, because we might bounce up after taking this low. It might be a double bottom, okay? So be ready here. Okay, guys? Ready? Ready? Are you ready, guys? Ready? Let's see. Do I want a closure below this low here now? Get a 50-minute closure below here? We want a 50-minute closure below, guys. We don't want a 50-minute closure above, okay? We put risk-free now? Not yet, not yet. If we get a 50-minute closure above, we're gonna go risk-free. If we get a 50-minute closure below here, we're gonna go risk-free. But we're not gonna go risk-free if we close below here, because then there's no reason for us to go up. I need to see a 50-minute closure below 23, okay? Both more minutes, guys. Yeah, I closed it. That's fine, Toxic. That's fine, man. That's fine, man. Then you made some profit. Good profit. Good profit, Toxic. Good profit. Can I enter? Just went home. Trade, you have to wait for a retest or you have to wait for the 50-minute closure below, okay? If you close below 23, you can re-enter, yes. I'm gonna give you a sub, bro. Toxic, if you are new to my stream, you know, right now, this week, you can get VIP for $53. Just this week, man. Normally it's $149, but this week is 53. So if you want to learn more, if you want to continue, you know, you can get it for $53 if you reach out to my team. But if you just want the free shit, you know, Twitch is free, Discord is free. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it, man. Oh, you mean an actual sub? Oh. An actual sub on Twitch. Okay.
Toxic Bruce subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Oh, thank you so much for Toxic Bruce for subscribing to Twitch. Oh no, oh, sorry, Rakan, thank you so much for gifting the sub to Toxic so he doesn't have to sub himself. Thank you so much, Toxic. And thank you so much, Rakan. Rakan is the man. Rakan is the man. I'm still filling my card. Well, then head over to the VIP for $53. That's an additional $49 on top of the gifted sub. Bro, here, reach out to my team. You can get the VIP today for $53. I'm joking, man. If you don't want a VIP, it's okay. It was just, the joke was just so perfect. It was so perfect because he literally gifted that $4 sub for you. And then you can just pay an additional extra $49 for the VIP. Because now you don't have to sub. Now you are... You got the gifted sub, man. I'm just joking, bro. You do what you want, man. I'm not holding Rush or Bark or whatever it's called. Let's see here, guys. Can we get a 50-minute closure below 23? Here we go. We got a 10-minute closure here. We got a 5-minute closure as well. Okay, guys, be ready. Once we get 150 plus pips, I want you to go risk-free and take partial, okay? All right. Toxic, now you can use the emojis on Twitch. Let's go. Nice family. Let's go.
Let's go!
Hi, Obits. What does the VIP include? The VIP, currently $53, includes live streaming, live session, signals, and my community, plus me, where I'm there, right? I'm in the community as well.
Neil Jesh 08 subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Thank you so much, Toxic Bruce. If you couldn't gift it to yourself, well, you gifted to somebody else. Nelly, you just got a sub from Toxic. Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub on Twitch, bro. Thank you so much, man. So that was Rakan and that was Toxic Bruce. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But yeah, the VIP is $53. You get live stream, live session, signals, and community. Plus, I'm there in the community as well, so you can ask me questions, right? So yeah, if you're interested, reach out to my team. What is the issue or problem with pocket option Obits? Why not trading it on it anymore? So, Future, hey, amazing name, bro. Future, amazing name. After Trump began to make new tweets every single day, then when I'm sitting on my 1 minute or 5 minute or 3 minute on pocket option and I start making a trade, then suddenly the market goes like this, right? Because he just tweets something random. And I just don't want to be a part of that. I want to wait until he cools down, until he comes his hits, you know? When he comes his hits, then we can, you know, start doing pocket option again, right? Okay, guys, we're moving 140 plus pips from 34. We are also moving 120 plus pips here from 32. Let's see here. Can we go down to 18? If we go down to 18, guys, I'm going to go risk-free. That means we get 160 pips and 140 pips from 32, okay? Let's see if we can sweep out that low. You ready? We can sweep out 17 here, or 18. I'm going to go completely risk-free, take a 150 plus pips, and take partial, okay? 7 more minutes. We need to see a bearish closure below here. We don't want to see anything bullish. No. We want to see a bearish closure below, okay? Want to see this? Are you ready?
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Minan, thank you so much for the follow. Nice live stream. Hope you're doing well. And Dean, thank you so much for the subscription on YouTube. So do I still wait until next open or open a new one on the sell? What do you think about this? Toxic Bruce, you're gonna wait for a retest if you get a retest. I'm not sure you're gonna get a retest. If you get a retest, you can enter again. But if you don't get a retest, you wait for a 15-minute bearish closure below here. And then you wait for a 15-minute bearish fair value gap to be formed. And then you can enter on the 15-minute fair value gap. Guys, I cannot get you in here right now. We have an engulfing candle on the 15-minute. And we just closed bearish here without any bullish confirmation. So I cannot get you in. I'm sorry. I have to wait for a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. What's going on? There we go, guys.
Skek6 subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Anderson, thank you so much for the gifted sub to Skek6. Thank you so much. Guys, we're gonna go risk-free. Risk-free, stop loss below, entry for risk-free trade and take partial. 150 plus pips. Right there. 150 plus pips, guys. Right there. You're welcome. Okay. Our TV1 is going to be down here at 4,695. That's going to be a sweep of liquidity of the previous session. If you can come down and sweep this low here, then we have enough to go bullish. If we don't go bullish and we continue down here to sweep this liquidity below here, then I'm not even looking for any buys whatsoever. If you want to join again for another trade, you need to wait for a 15-minute bearish closure, wait for that 15-minute fair value gap. If it retests the 15-minute fair value gap and you get an inverse fair value gap, you can continue down. But don't try to FOMO, don't try to get in this trade now. It's way too late. Go risk-free. Stop loss below entry for risk-free trade, guys, okay? Risk-free right here. Stop loss at BE. 31.8, or if you're in at 34, it's going to be 33.8. Okay, guys? So we are completely risk-free. And that means for the third trade, we got 150 plus pips. And that means our 50 pips we lost, we got that back. And now we're in profit, okay? So profit for the day, guys. Profit for the day. Trade 1, 70 pips. Trade 2, minus 50 pips. Trade 3, 150 plus pips, okay? Let's see. We can come down here. Let's gold. The husband of gold himself. You're welcome, man. Let's go. That ball guy. Let's go. AM. Let's go. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. So as I mentioned before, if you want VIP, we have new week, new deal. Okay, new week, new deal. That is the project we are doing. VIP right now is $53. That means for this week, you can join VIP for 1 month for $53. Only this week. That doesn't mean you get VIP for 1 week. It means you get 1 month. It's a one-time payment. You get 1 month of VIP from this week if you purchase this week before the Sunday, right? That's the deal we're doing. New week, new deal. If you want to join, reach out to my team. Okay. I'm gonna try joining VIP. Just reach out to my team, baby. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you in there. Amazing. $53, guys, if you want to join the VIP. It's only for this week. Next week, we're gonna have a new deal. If there's gonna be a new deal. Who knows? Sometimes we don't. Sometimes we have it. Last week was $35. This week is $53. Next week, it might be higher. It might be lower. Or maybe we don't have it at all. We'll see. Okay, guys? Just for you to know. We're running 150 plus pips. What we need to see, we need to see a bearish closure below here. Once you get a bearish closure, if you want to get in for another sell, you need to see a bearish fair value gap, then retest that fair value gap, create an inverted 15-minute fair value gap, and then continue down. Then we're gonna go down to sweep that 4,700. Okay. How much do you take usually off partials? So, baby, if we have 5 TPs, right? Then I will take 20% off on the first 3 TPs. So TP1, 20%, TP2, 20%, TP3, 20%. Then you have 40% remaining. Then on the TP4, you can either take another 20% or you can take 30% and then have 10% running for TP5. Or you can take 20% and then have 20% running for TP5, but only take 10% and then let 10% run, right? The idea about my trades is always to have something running. I'm still in at 5,200. I'm still in at 5,000, and I'm still in at 4,900. I'm still in at 4,817. I'm still in at 4,763. I'm still in here at the 4,740 and 4,730. My philosophy about trading is that you never know where the bottom or the top is. So I always keep my trades open and I just trail my stop loss. I don't take TPs. I don't have any target. I just trail my stop loss as we go down, and then I take partial on the way. I never have a target. I never have a TP. The TP here is for you guys to understand what I'm looking at and where I will say that there is a level. There's a level here because if we sweep 4,700 and we decide to go bullish, then probably you're going to see a sweep at 4,687 or 4,690, and then you can take your TP1 there if you really want to have a target for the day. But my philosophy is that you never know where the bottom is or the top is, so I always keep trades running until it comes up and hits my BE. But if I already trade my stop loss in 200 pips, 500 pips, 1,000 pips, then the BE will be 1,000 pips plus, you know. So for me, I don't have a target. I never know where the bottom is or the top is, so I'm just trailing my stop losses. And W to Rakan and Arnoldson for the subscription today, and for Toxic Brews as well. And Joseph, thank you for the follow, and Kid, thank you for the follow. Chucho, can I take a sell now? King, you asked me when we were up here. You didn't take the sell? Or no? You didn't take the sell. Did you take the sell or did you not take the sell? Guys, we are risk-free. If you just joined my trade, we are risk-free, okay? We took 150 plus pips, and we are risk-free. That means if price comes up, hits 31.8, and you're in at 32, you're out. If it hits 33.8, and you are in with BE here, you're out, okay? Missed it. Still good to enter? Not yet. You need to wait for the 50-minute fabric gap. 2
Get
seconds,
shit
guys.
on, brother.
Guys, if you want to join VIP, reach out to my team. Thank you, man, for everything you do to us. Can't wait to join VIP. Omar, just reach out to my team. Let them know. Hey, Obits, how much for the bootcamp? Yo, Dennis, how's it going, man? For the bootcamp, you need to reach out to my team. It depends if you are in VIP. If you're in VIP, you get, you get quite a big, quite a big discount. And also, if you don't want the live bootcamp, you also get some discount. You can get the live bootcamp in December, or you can always also watch the bootcamp we had last year, which is going to be a 3-day bootcamp, okay? So a 3-day bootcamp, and it's all recorded. You can watch that and pay for that if you want. But if you want the live, as me being live with you for the 3 days, then you have to wait until December, right? But you can always already secure your spot now. But yeah, for now, guys, we're moving down. So Dennis, reach out to my team, and we'll let you know. I didn't know how to take on little profits. Oh, so you closed the entire thing. Okay. Can I still take a sell? You have to wait for the 50-minute fabric gap, bro. Hey, I closed earlier. I'm happy with profits. I just want to say thank you. I'll be back next Tuesday, I think. So, thank you so much, Paul. You're welcome. Did you also join yesterday and the day before that? I think you were there yesterday as well, right? Oh yeah, guys. If you don't already know it, outside of VIP and Bootcamp, we also have copy trading. Copy trading is you putting $1,250 for your own trading account. I don't have anything to do with that. I'm just trading your account. So this is your own money. And then you can use 100% bonus if this first time you're doing copy trading. That means you can get $2,500 to trade for. Okay? So this money is not my money. It's your money. So if you want copy trading, you can join for $1,250. Get 100% bonus. That will give you $2,500, where I then can trade your money. And then we split the profit. The profit split is very simple. It's 40% for me and 60% for you. Actually, it's 39% and 60.5%, but I just want to make it more easy for you to understand. 40-60, that's what people know, and that's what they can relate to, right? So it's 40% for me, 60% for you. I just take all the TPs and stop losses. I do everything for you. You don't have to do absolutely zero effort. You just put the money, and that's it. So if you're interested in that, you can. If you're not interested in copy trading, but you want account management, then you can also do that, but that will not be $1,250. That will just be like $100 or whatever you want. So let me know. Let me know. Do you live trade every day? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, my friend. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I was. Nice, Paul. Any track record on the topic copy trading that we can see? Yes, of course. Reach out to my team. Text, reach out to my team. You can see I'm currently running in trades here. I'll show you here. But you can reach out to my team and get the... if you would like to see that. You can see I have trades running here. I have trades running here. But you can see the track record if you reach out to my team. Thanks, I made some profits. Nice. That's good, King. So let's see if we can close bearish here, guys, and create a bearish fabric gap. Then we can take another trade. So hopefully we're going to create something like this. And then we can come down here. retest, and then continue down, right? That's what we're waiting for right now, guys. We're waiting for another opportunity to get in for another trade. But yeah, reach out to my team if you have questions about copy trading, bootcamp, or if you have questions about the VIP. Okay, and if you want account management, not copy trading, but account management, you simply reach out to me right here. There you go. Right there. Let me know. For account management, you don't need a lot of money. You just need whatever you have, and then I will just flip that. So yeah, if you don't have a lot of funds, you just want to join for $100, you can do it for $100. But it takes time, and it's something that you will spend a lot of time watching the market go up and down, and I'll be in and out and everything. It takes a lot of time. Copy trading also takes a lot of time, but it takes way less time. Let's see. Account management. Basically, we have the copy trading where you put $1,250, and then you can do $1,250 with 100% bonus, or without the bonus you get $2,500. Then I trade that money, and then you can see that account grow, and then we do the profit split, right? But account management mean that you deposit directly to me, and then I put it into a account where with all the different funds, and then I trade that, and then I split the profit with you and the others, right? So you have to make a crypto wallet to pay only for the account management, not for copy trading. Copy trading, you can just deposit directly on the broker. You can check that broker out, guys. Check the broker out. If you don't have a broker, check it out. Anyway, like this is for me this best broker, because I have so many trouble with all kind of brokers, but this broker I'm very happy with. Crypto is just in case, baby, that you don't have that kind of funds. Then you can just do it with crypto. How is it with tax on that? For tax, it depends on your country. So basically, if I do the account management, I will have to pay the tax, right? But that's okay, because if you give me, let's say, if you give me 20% and I flip the account to, let's say, 100K, it's still 20K, right? Have you tried invest? It's like the account management is like investing, basically. People invest in me, and I invest in the market, and then I will pay the tax, and then you guys are gonna be putting your money in that broker, and then I will just trade it, and over time we make profit. Oh, you mean Investate? Okay, it's a platform. Okay, the platform. Sorry, it's a broker. I thought you meant, are you investing? Because I also invest into Bitcoin, and I invest into S&P 500 and Nasdaq and German 40. I would say I'm more like an investor rather than I'm a trader, because I invest long term. I take bigger TPs, bigger stop losses. It's still trading, because it's still it's still management. It's still managed properly. But it's I tend to have bigger stop losses, bigger TPs than other people, and I tend to hold trades more than other people, because many people, they just see like a 10 pips and then 20 pips and 30 pips, and then they're out and they made like 1% or 3% of count, and then they're done for the day. I trade whatever I see. If I see a setup, I will take the setup regardless of I made my profit or whatever. I love how you interact with followers. I'm happy, man. Appreciate it, King. So yeah, if you want to do account management, you have to have crypto available. You reach out to me. If you don't want to do that, but you want copy trading and you have more funds, then you can reach out to my team, okay? It's two different, okay? Two different. Okay? Xauusd, that's me. And Elite, that's my team. Join Xauusd is my team, right? My team manages copy trading. I will do the trading, of course. It's me who's doing it manually, but my team will set it up for you. For account management, it's just me, because I cannot allow my team to sit on my brokers. And then you don't need MT5 or anything like that, guys. It's simply just my trading. So copy trading would be MT5, and it will be, you know, you join on my broker, and then you make an account, and then I trade your funds, right? But account management, you don't have to do anything other than deposit. All right, so reach out to my team or reach out to me. Guys, we're still waiting here to see here if you're gonna get a retest here. So now the EMA is coming down to 33. So I would like to see that we are not gonna tap this again. Hopefully we can stay out of that. Any other questions, guys? This is your time. This is your time. We are live right now, and you guys can ask the questions you want. And if you want to learn something, if you want to ask about the trade or copy trading or VIP or bootcamp or whatever it is, I'm live here. And I'm only live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? How's your day? That's a very cute question. My day was great, man. How was your day? How was your day? We have made some bucks today, and we have been having some good VIP session. Do you always win? I win more than most people because, King, I have a bigger stop loss and I have a bigger TP, and I don't go into the market all the time, right? I hold longer trades. So for example, you can see here, let me show you. It's like most people, the reason why they lose is because they become emotional. And when they're emotional, they're either going to do over leverage, right? Or they're going to move their the stop loss too early, or they're going to take random trades, or they're going to close out on trades that were actually really nice, right? And when they do this, you know, they blow their accounts, they hit stop losses and all that. But if you actually look at the market and you understand, okay, we are in a, I will just remove this for a second, guys, so you can look at it after. We're in a downtrend, right? This is the downtrend. Do you see? We are rolling over downwards, right? So if you put your line here, your ray line, and you add it up here, you can see we're respecting all the time. Here, 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 here. So unless we break this, we are on the way down. So of course, if you join in for a trade here and you sit on the 1 minute, 3 minute, and you put your stop loss here, of course you're gonna hit the stop loss. Of course you are. But if you jump in here and you put your stop loss above these highs, which is the Asia high here, you're not gonna hit your stop loss unless Trump, he tweets something totally random, or that we have war again or something like that, right? So I don't hit my stop loss very often because I always put the stop loss where it makes sense to put the stop loss according to where the market is heading. But if you sit on the 1 minute, you put your stop loss here and here, you're basically just gambling, right? And for me, lower time frame is just noise. But if you can manage that and you're profitable over time, I would say 99% of traders who are scalping, they are not profitable. Absolutely not. And they say like they win, and then they lose. So they look like this, right? They lose, then they win, then they lose, then they win, then they win, and then they lose, and they raise quit, and then they blow their account, right? And that's why most people lose, is because of emotional damage, right? Like the meme. So in order for you to be profitable, zoom out, see what's happening at the higher time frame, make your trend line, and put your goddamn stop loss where it makes sense. Above the Asia high, for example, right? Put the stop loss above the Asia high instead of putting it like at the Asia high or at the London high or at this high or right above your entry. Like, it doesn't make sense. But if you have a small account, I understand why you do it. But then probably you should go and fund it. I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's and that's why we have the bootcamp. That's why we have copy trading. That's why we have the VIP. That's why we have all these kind of tools, and I'm live here 3 days a week, guys, so I can help people, right? Copy trading and account management, it takes time. It takes time for it to make money, but that's also how it will take time if you trade yourself, right? So yeah. Okay, let's see here. Ever since you came on, it has been good. I'm happy to hear that, man. Do you give a signal on US 100, please? Trade man, if you want a signal on US 100, you have to tip over here, because I only trade XAUSD. So it's not to take your money, it's simply because I only trade XAUSD. If you want me to trade something else, it's $20 for another pair. It says over there, right? Because I don't really, you know, I don't really want to trade anything else than gold, because for me, gold is my queen, and it's just, you know, sometimes she has menstruation, sometimes she's on a period, and that's okay. But most of the time she's good, you know. You think it's gonna go up or down? On the lower time frame, it's gonna go up and down, yeah. On the higher time frame, I think it's gonna go down. Go down. A day out somewhere, a weekend city trip, for instance. Did you say something earlier, Daniel? I cannot see the correlation or the, you know, the context of this start of this conversation. Just put, oh, you ever organize a meet and greet? Oh, like that? No. I don't. Like I spent a lot of my time during my 20s traveling around, talking to people and stuff like that. And I just want to, you know, I want to have a few years here where I'm just with my wife here, and we want to take our trips to Japan and see the world and stuff like that. But I'm not really, you know, I've been spending a lot of my time doing, you know, network marketing and stuff like that, and I'm over that time now. I wanna grow old with my wife, and, you know, have some kids one day, and, you know, just
Get shit on,
chill,
brother.
just chill, right? But yeah, if you're in, you know, if you're in Scandinavia at some point, like, you can text me and we can see if it's possible. But I'm not gonna travel to another country to meet somebody unless there is a very special occasion, like, for example, if I have to speak on a stage or something like that. But most of the time, no. How old are you, Orbits? I'm 33. How are you, man? How old are you? How old are you? Not how are you. Do you think it's gonna go down or up? That's what you said before, yeah. Thanks for your insight. So mainly you're looking at trend for direction and previous market highs for stop loss. What about TP? Yes. So the TP is obviously gonna be down here at I put it here. You can see it here, bro. 4,695. Why? Because you can see here, we came down, created a lower low. This is a lower high, right? Lower high, lower low. Now you tried to break out here, but you failed, and you actually created a lower high on the higher time frame. So this is a lower low on this time frame, but on a higher time frame, on the hourly, we created a lower low, lower high. Now we are currently trying to create a lower low, unless we break out later because Trump tweets something or war starts again, right? But as of now, we're in this 15-minute channel, and we are slowly going down. I'm you know, gonna target like 4,600, 4,500, 4,400. But unless we break out because war's gonna happen again, or something random is gonna happen during the Asia session, or tomorrow Friday, because Fridays tends to go up. Sometimes when we have been going down for quite some time, then it's just gonna go down. So my TP is gonna be the sweep of the 4,700. But if you want to take an additional TP, TP2, it's gonna be 100% the low, right? Which is gonna be 4,650. So if you come down and sweep that 4,668 right here, bro, come down, sweep that liquidity, and come down, and then the psychology of 50, 48, you know, it's like, it makes sense. It just makes sense, because a lot of people will have their stop losses down here. You know what I mean? People who joined in on this buy here, they have the stop losses here. So psychology level is 50, coming down, sweeping this would just make sense for TP2. All right. I got a baby account. It's screaming at me to take profit. Oh, that bald guy. You took some partial, right? You took some partial here at the 18. Did you? So it's bearish. Yes, it's bearish. You don't find this bearish? Let me show you. You don't find this bearish? I mean, first, we had a bear flag. Then we broke the bear flag. Then we have a second bear flag. And currently we just broke the bear flag. And the 90 MA and the 200 SMA is holding us down. It's Sora, by the way. I switched my account, my name to start my streaming career. Oh, nice. So we should stream together at some point, Sora. Okay. So guys, we got a 15-minute family gap. Now, what you want to see? You're gonna want to see a reaction from here, right? So let's go back. Here you go. So we are currently in this trade here. Now, if you want to get a second trade here, what you want to see is you want to see rejection from here. So this is what you're seeing, right? You came down here, boom, and now you're retesting. You retest here and you get bearish, and you can take a second trade. Your setup are cool. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ray. So let's see here, guys, how we're gonna react to the family gap here. The hourly also closed bearish, so that's a really good indication. The next sell is hopefully right. I mean, if you can get a reaction here from this 50-minute family gap, that would be great. But yeah, guys, reach out to my team. Reach out to my team for information about VIP, bootcamp, and copy trading. If you don't want copy trading, but you want a comment spin, then reach out to me. Right here. Cool. And a comment spin, you can join for everything like, you know, $100, $100, $200. Doesn't matter. You don't have to have a lot of money because we are putting it into a, you know, a bigger fund, right? I'm texting you right now, Dance, just so you know this is legit. You can hear on the stream now, it's me who's texting you right now. You can also see I have the tag. You can see I'm the only one who has the tag. Do not text the Future's team here, Future's second one and all this. Just use the link that I provide you on the stream, guys. Don't fall for scams, okay? Do not fall for scams. My VIP, oh my god, what are you guys talking about? You want to kill gold? What are you talking about, guys? Oh my god. You guys are just sitting on VIP and just like, I don't know, memeing each other. You make it so simple. How did you manage? Well, I've been trading for 14 years, man. You see nothing, you hear nothing. Should I place the second trade? You should wait for confirmation, my friend. 30 minutes about to close in 4 minutes, guys. Guys are crazy. Guys are absolutely crazy. Mm. FBI.
FBI, open up!
Alright guys, if you want to join for a second trade on gold right now, what you can do is you can wait for this 30-minute closure. If it closes below this fair value gap, you can put your stop loss just above the high and take the trade down here as a second trade, okay? You have to wait for the 30-minute closure. If the 30-minute closure closes inside the fair value gap, then don't take it, okay? All right. One more minute here. We had the first trade here. Oh, not the first trade. This is the third trade. And then we are currently looking at the second one here. So let's see here. One more minute. Minute closes. Now, okay. Guys, I will get in for a trade if we come up here. To have stop loss tied above here. Okay, so it's going to be 50 pips, okay? That means if you lose that trade, you're not going to lose out on the profit that you gained from this trade here. It's only 50 pips, okay? But it's only if we come up here. Only if we come up here 25, okay? Let's see.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Shan, thank you for the follow. Nice and live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're currently in a sell from 32, 34, bro. We took 150 pips partial, went risk free. And now I'm waiting here to see here if we have a second trade here. Okay, guys, be ready. I'm gonna enter here at 25. 25. Okay. Stop loss is just gonna be 31. Okay. So your TP is gonna be 19. All right. So if you come down from here, here, we retest that low here. Then we have two trades. We have the 32 to 34 one, and then we have a very tight stop loss here for this trade here, okay? That's the only trade I can give you. Everything else is too risky. Everything else is too risky. Let's see if we can. You guys can get a second trade here. Sell now. Yeah, it's a sell now, bro. It's a sell now here. Let's see. If it starts going up again, then you should not. Do not extend your. Do not extend your. What is called your TP or your stop loss, anything like that. Then you got 150 pips, and you took a few losses, but you still have that 150 pips. So it should be good. It should be good. Oh. You can see here the 9 EMA and the 200 EMA is still holding you down here. Then you have the 30-minute family gap, and everything is pointing down. You stay below here. See. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So this is the last trade, guys. The last trade. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, and that's totally fine, because this was our overall trade. And if you start building up again here, then oil will start building down and DXY will start building down. So this is not my big trade. This is my very, very small trade. I just want to see if we can keep the momentum down. We can stay below that 209 EMA here and the 30-minute family gap, right? Let's see. We also have this 15-minute family gap right there. Delete this one. 26, 27, 28 is also a very good resistance. Not a bull flag now on gold? Bull flag? Oh, you mean the pole and then the flag here? Yeah, but it could probably just continue doing this, right? You don't think so? Okay, we're in 50-minute, 30-minute family gap. And we're tapping into my sell zone. Let's see. Stop loss is 31, guys. Tapping 29 again. What we can do, guys, is we can also put the stop loss just here 32 where we have our BE for this trade here. So instead of 31, put it at 32. So if price comes up and hits 32, then you're out of this trade and you have hit stop loss in this trade. And then you cannot do anything more. Because then we're starting to, you know, follow this bullish flag that the guy talked about. Or retesting these highs again and again and again, and then, you know, it's gold, right? The bigger trade played out here. That was nice with 150 pips. Let's see. Filling the family gap now. Tapping into my zone. There, we rejected. Let's see if we can come down. If we can close below here. Close below 25, then we should come down here. Let's see. Pull back from there. Ah, lost it. Lost it. Tap 30.2. Stop loss was 31. It was not even close to 31. And now stop loss is 32. You lost it. How did you lose it, man? You put me into this and you call the cops on me. Wow, that's betrayal. You love it, man. You love it. Let's see, guys. So far, we're respecting. So guys, I'm in a sell from 32, 34, and then I'm in from 25. Stop loss is currently 32, and for the other trade, it's BE at 32. I put my stop loss above the fair value gaps and also above the sell zone. Okay, so that means if we come up and hit stop loss, then we invalidate the sell zone, and we are coming a little bit more up. So 20 pips in drawdown here. Let's see. You can come down. And I added a layer. Rakan. Rakan, the man. The man, the myth, the legend. The man, the myth, the legend. But Toxic, can you tell me how did you lose it? We didn't touch 31. We came up to 30.3. Is your spread 0.7 or what? Oh, basically I think I accidentally put it lower. Well, you gotta read, man. Gotta read here. It was 31 before. I changed it to 32, but still didn't hit 31. Remember to read, guys. If you are concerned about something, or if you are, you know, not sure about something, just ask me. I'm here live with you guys. In 1 hour and 19 minutes, we have the 4-hour closure. If the 4-hour closure goes below all our levels, then it's very good. I like this 4 big shorts. Nice. Second trade straight TB1 and no move stop loss to BE and aim for TB2. Depends, Kai. Depends. Really, really depends. Because if we start creating bullish structure above this 30 minute here, we're gonna hit BE and we also gonna hit the stop loss here. So that means we're gonna lose this trade. This is a very, very small trade. But we're also gonna hit BE here, so we are out of this. So we got 150 pips out of this, and then so the total of TB pips for today would be 270 pips, I think. So yeah, it's sad if we come up and hit this, but I cannot ask people to move the stop loss here on Twitch because some people are new beginners. They don't understand like exactly what we're looking at and how to do things and partial and all that. So I give that for my VIP. In case we do something like this, you know, I will have probably another trade here for my VIP, but it's not gonna be something that the Twitch can see. It's too much. It's too much. Camera went out. What are your thoughts on day trades, like leaving it open for a full day? Yeah, sometimes I do that. Sometimes I leave it open, do an Asia session and keep trades open. Especially, let's see here, guys, if we're gonna hit BE first. Guys, wait, let's see. 32 is the BE and the stop loss. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we're out. It is what it is, guys. Total today is 270 pips. 270 pips. So now if we come up and we take out this high here, it might come up to the Asia high. That would be where you can be looking for another sell. Because you can see here, if you zoom out, you can see here that you kind of have a really good level here. And what you have done here is you created a lower low. And then you're coming up here on the lower time frame to retest some of these highs. This can also just be a sweep here again. Another sweep because we are very like choppy. Because there's still no confirmation on what Trump and Iran is going to do. Or you could come up here for this level here and sweep some liquidity here and come down here. So your next trade would be from this level here, right? But you have to take that on your own because I'm not going to be live for tomorrow. So I'm going to take that with my VIP. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much for watching today. 270 pips today. Let's see. The camera went out again. So if you want to join for VIP, if you want to learn more, or you want to have, you know, bigger trades, better trades, and you don't want to take these small trades here on Twitch, then you can join VIP right now for $53. Just reach out to my team. And it's just for this week. Literally last week we had a $35 offer, but now it's 53. So next week is going to be something else, or we might not have it, so you never know. And this is until Sunday, right? Other than that, we have cover trading, account management, and also bootcamp. So yeah, reach out to my team. Otherwise, then we have Discord and Telegram. So yeah, guys, reach out to my team, and I'll see you for the next one. Okay, guys, have a great one. See you next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Remember, same time, always after New York session. Pre-New York session is VIP. After New York session is gonna be for Twitch. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.
Seen anybody do the things you do before.